Hello and welcome to a very quick tutorial for Twitch. This is for streamers and viewers alike, and we're just going to talk about how you get your pronouns to show up in Twitch chat. As you can see here, we've got a variety of pronouns: a she, they, an any, a she, her, a they, them, and a she, they. This will show up in your stream manager, or if you are a moderator, it will show up in mod view. And if you're just in regular Twitch, you can also see it there. Unfortunately, it will not show up on Streamlabs or OBS currently, and hopefully in the future that will be something that is supported. It's very quick and easy to set this up, so I'm just going to show you how. First, you'll need to go to this website. The link will be in the description, the first link there. And you're going to hit the big purple button, login with Twitch. I'm already logged in. So I'm just going to authorize this, and it will take you back to this page and give you a little drop down here, and you can select your pronoun. Once you've selected your pronoun, hit submit, and you'll get a little green pronoun set, and it's fairly quick. You usually can go straight into a chat and say hi, and it will pop up. Obviously I was already set up, but it's very quick. I actually recently changed my pronoun from he, him to they, them, whilst watching somebody streaming, and I came back and typed a message in chat, and somebody else in chat noticed that I'd done it, so it was very quick, very easy. That allows people to see your pronouns. It doesn't allow you to see them. For that, you'll need to install the extension. There is a link for Chrome and a link for Firefox. Those are both there. I'm on Chrome, so this is the Chrome extension. Obviously I've already got it installed. You can see there 50,000 plus users. It's very actively used, and it's really reassuring to see. I would recommend this extension for all users of Twitch, regardless of if you are a streamer or a viewer, because it makes the community better, it makes it more welcoming, and it makes it more friendly. I would especially recommend it to streamers and moderators, because it allows you to make sure that your community is more welcoming and safe. And seeing something like this when you enter a Twitch chat and every name's got a pronoun selected next to it tells you that this community is one that is welcoming, understanding, open-minded, and a safe place. So that's really nice to see. So I would strongly recommend it. If you're a streamer, maybe share this video in your Discord, or even share it in your stream chat, or, you know, it takes a couple of minutes to set up. You could always go through it live during one of your streams to show your community. The extension is completely free, and the developer of this also made the closed captions extension, which is worth checking out. Because it is all free, they've also got a Patreon, and if you can afford to, I'd recommend jumping over there. There are 2 tiers you can join, but there's also the custom pledge if you want to give a little bit more or less, or somewhere in between. And I think that's a really nice way to support somebody that is helping us to make Twitch a much nicer, safer place. So that's all from me for today. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, maybe leave it a comment, and do share it with people if you think it would help people to see the extension and get to use it. I will be back very soon with some more tutorials specifically for streamers using BikuBot, but also maybe some more tutorials or general overviews of things that are useful for Twitch that maybe make the experience a little bit more better. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.